Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got the 10 amp rotary hammer kit. It's the 1 1/8 variable speed pro. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Alright, we got the, let's see here if you guys could see that. We got the 3-in-1 chiseling, masonry, and drilling. And it says 164 1E-B, so that is the model number, I guess. And we got the Bauer 10 amp 3900 BPM. It's a 1 1/8 SDS variable speed pro, and this is the rotary hammer kit. So let's get to the unboxing, see what's inside. Alright, on the back we got a sticker, something about maybe quality control or something. So I'll just leave that sticker there. It wasn't on the back. I'll just leave it right there. Got a nice case here. It seems pretty well built. It flexes a little bit, but it seems pretty durable. Pretty good material. Says Bauer right there. Then we got some metal locks. All right. As soon as we see this, we lift the. Got some instructions right there. Set those aside, and then we got some more instructions before you use, I guess. It says 1 1/8 SDS variable speed pro rotary hammer kit. Functions, switching, instructions, caution, adjust the switches only when motor is stopped. Drill mode 1, hammer mode 2, and drill hammer mode 2, and then hammer mode, just pure hammer 3. And yeah, I guess you can only do that when it's stopped. We got some grease here, little package, some grease, and then we got some sort of device maybe to remove the grease cap or something, or either this. So some sort of device, little key, and then we got some nice thick wire for the power cord. Well built. Comes in a bag, look. And it does come with this rubber piece. I don't know exactly what this is, but we'll find out what this is for. Alright. It seems pretty heavy duty. It's actually kind of heavy. I would say about maybe, say about 20 pounds or so. Yeah, about 20 pounds. This is rubber. This is plastic. So the black part is rubber. It feels nice. The red part is plastic. Same thing. This is all plastic. And this gray part, I don't know if you guys could see it, but this gray part is rubber. I guess this is where you select if you want it hammer, drill, or just hammer. Oh, you have to press this button here, like that. If you want it hammer or hammer drill. So drill only or hammer drill option. That's crazy. Never seen something like this. Usually they have it on the same handle there. And you got the speed right there. If you want to switch it to a higher speed, it's on speed 6 right now. 4 goes all the way to 1, I guess. Yeah. so I'll leave it at 5 or 6. Yeah, I'll leave it there. You get the trigger right here. Let's see if I can tighten this up a little bit more. Get the trigger right there. It says place grease monthly to prevent tool damage. Warranty is voided if grease not replaced monthly. So I guess you have to replace the grease. Maybe it loses grease or something. We got Bauer. I don't know if I'm in the frame. Alright. You got Bauer 1 1/8 SDS variable speed Pro Rotary hammering kit SDS 0 to 100 RPM 120 VAC 60 Hz 11 amps model 164 1E-B. It says okay, the item number is 64287 and the serial number is right there. Yeah, this is all plastic, and this is where you put the bit. This is rubber. Looks like it's rubber. Maybe this is for the bit. Yeah, maybe this goes right there. Could be like a protector or something if you don't want to damage the drill or the surface, I guess. That could be it. And it seems like we got some extra brushes here. I didn't see those when I was pulling but we do have some extra brushes with some just in case. I guess we need brushes for the mortar. Alright guys, that's it for my unboxing. I will be doing another video review on this, or how to use it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.